So this isn't one of my usual videos. I'm actually out for a morning walk. Over the last few weeks, I've been grinding, writing, researching, filming, editing, uploading, trying to build this channel properly, all the while keeping a full-time job. But I've officially quit that job and I am just finishing my handoff for this week. That's why I couldn't really work on the channel yet. And the thing is, I realized that I really can't serve two masters at the same time. I'd rather work on something that I truly believe is valuable to people and can build communities someday. And yeah, I had to choose the channel. So over the last few weeks, somewhere along the way, I realized that I have been neglecting something, and that is my own health. I was sitting in front of a computer the entire day, not really moving much, sleeping late, not getting enough sun, barely moving. Like I said, missing my Tai Chi. And I thought that's probably not the best way to build a channel that's supposed to help people build a better life. So I am changing all that. And starting today, I am committing to a 100-day morning walk challenge. No excuses, rain or shine, busy or not. And though I hate pointing the camera at myself, especially outside for people to see, I'll be out here every morning with you. And instead of disappearing for a few weeks while I work on the next batch of episodes, I'm going to bring you with me. Most mornings, I'll be doing these short walks, nothing heavily produced, no studio, just me thinking out loud, sharing ideas, answering questions. Sometimes it'll be about relationships, sometimes about Filipino culture, sometimes about life here in the Philippines, because there's actually a lot of things happening behind the scenes. Um, right now, I'm building the entire roadmap, or I'm rebuilding the entire roadmap for this channel. Not because the original plan was bad, but because after launching, I learned a lot. I can already see where viewers are getting stuck, what questions keep coming up, which ideas deserve their own episode instead of being squeezed into another one. So I'm reorganizing everything into what I hope becomes a much better blueprint, not just random videos, but something you can almost follow like a course, one idea leading to the next. I want you walking away from every single video with something you can actually use that day. My goal has always been the same. I will not try to sell you a fantasy. Rather, I will do my best to help both Western men and Filipinas understand each other a little bit better. Because I genuinely think a lot of unnecessary relationships, tragedies, come from misunderstanding. And if I can help even a little, then this channel is doing its job. So while I'm rebuilding those bigger episodes, these walks will keep us connected. Think of them as conversations. If something interesting happens, I will tell you. If I read a study, I'll share it. If I notice something while living here, we'll talk about it. Nothing fancy, just honest conversations. And hopefully these morning walk episodes will also remind you to take care of your health too, yeah? If you've been putting off something, I tripped on that. If you've been putting off something, maybe it's walking, exercising, reading, praying, journaling, whatever it is, maybe this can be your excuse to finally start too. Take your own 100-day challenge. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. If you do, I'd love to hear about it. Drop your progress in the comments every now and then so we can cheer each other on. Or if you'd rather just join me with your morning coffee while I'm out here getting some sun, that's perfectly okay too. Either way, you're welcome here. By the way, I actually really do need this just as much as the channel does. So yeah, this will keep me going, and we need that energy to push us forward, right? Whatever goals we have in life, we need something to fuel us forward. And for me, out in the sun, taking care of myself as I take care of the channel is the way to go. And yeah, Anyway, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to talk about during these walks, questions, observations, things you've always wondered about in the Philippines, or even topics you think deserve a full episode. A lot of future videos actually come from those conversations. The big studio episodes are still coming. These morning walks are just what happens in between. Day one starts today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Right now the tide is very low, so let me see if we can find some Nemo somewhere along the way. I have some favorite ones here, but the tide has been so high until the last few weeks, so I didn't really get to visit them. I hope they're still here. I mean, they get carried away by the strong waves whenever the waves come. Anyway, I'll show you when I see one. Exploring the tide pools is one of my favorite things to do here. When I was in Cebu, I went to the wet market and a lady tried to sell one to me. She said it tastes very delicious and it's like, I've never eaten one in my life, and so I politely declined. But anyway, such a weird, interesting looking creature, right? I wonder what their life is like. Anyway, look, I guess it's eating. Maybe it's having its breakfast. Hello, sea cuke. Don't worry, I won't eat you. You're safe. Oh, guys, spotted one. Oh my god, and there's a Nemo. Oh, it's so cool. I don't want to touch it though. Maybe I can. I don't know. Just tease it a little bit. Dang, it's here. It's awesome. Hey, Nemo. How have you been? Wait, where's your father? You shouldn't be out here alone, boy. Isn't that so cute? It is so awesome. So there you go. There's a little bit of Nemo action for ya. Definitely will be doing this so much more. Well, 100 days challenge, right? Let's do this. Hey baby, how are you? Aren't you a handsome one, yeah? Whoop. This one is very feisty. Is he a boy? I'm not sure. I can't see anything. No, she's a girl. Okay. Okay. I'm challenged with like biology classes now. Anyway, walking home. Yeah, definitely a girl. Bye, my Dalmatian. Tide is high and I'm moving on. I'm gonna be your number